Good morning, 7A. It is finally Friday, April 3rd. Happy birthday to Patrick. If you guys did not see on our classroom stream, it is his birthday today, so everybody reach out and say happy birthday to Patrick. I have been enjoying checking out your responses to our daily check-in, so please make sure you're doing that. It's giving me a lot of joy to see what my students really like. Yesterday's question was a this or that Thursday question. I've been trying to do themes every day of the week. And yesterday I was just curious if you'd rather go on a beach vacation or a camping vacation. Now, I love both. I really do. But I picked beach because I'd rather just kind of soak up the sun and enjoy the water, look at marine life, that kind of thing. But I do enjoy camping as well. So if you look on the screen, we have quite a bit of a majority of people liking to go to the beach versus camping. Doesn't mean people don't like camping. It's just that they'd rather go to the beach. So please make sure you check in today. Take a look at our question and give me an answer so I can let you know. All right, have a great Friday. Make sure you're catching up on all your work and take care of Spanish and health and library and enjoy the weekend. And then next week, this week coming up here is Holy Week. So big time for us. All right, have a great day, guys. Miss you.